Hello, Cheryl Cigan with Known.com. Right now I want to talk to you about Dave Newton's new course, Leveraging LinkedIn. I'll tell you what, this is a beautiful course. I mean, as a fellow course curator, the first thing when I got in there, I was like, okay, he's got it organized beautifully. The information is stellar. The way that he's laid it out, it's just so helpful, so impactful. And you know, the first thing that I noticed was there's a whole bunch of stuff in there that I should have been doing for my clients that I haven't been doing. I've been doing a lot of surface stuff, but this really takes you into the next layers deep and down that will really help you. And if you do this kind of work for your clients, it's going to help them tremendously. It's organized well, and also as a fellow course curator, yes, I had a little bit of compare-itis, I think that's the word. Talk about feeling like a kindergartner when I looked at the beauty of this, and it's beautiful. So not only is it good for your brain, it's also pleasing to the eye, and it's going to be great for your business. So I encourage you, spend as much time in there as you need to. Go out there and leverage LinkedIn, because your business will grow, your contacts will grow, your email list will grow, and if you're doing this for your clients, they will thank you for it every single day. So, hope you enjoy it. It's a beautiful course.